recording this yet. Okay, I just uploaded the video. This fan is brand new. I got this like about 2 weeks ago. This is low speed. It's pretty fast for low speed. It's faster in person. Medium speed. Reverse tends to be slower than forward. That's actually pretty good. I might leave out medium today, but I am sick. I actually like the way medium looks on reverse. And that's not the original canopy ring up there. As you can see, it's brown. Because when I was installing it, I couldn't find a black one. But it was in here the whole time. And I also ended up parting out the Harbor Breeze Triton because it was just taking up space without the only ceiling fan I have in my collection is my Ochre Coke and a Craftmade patio fan with no blades and unoriginal brackets. But here's high speed. It flies, to be honest. I'm gonna go show you guys the breeze. I'm sorry, I'm just trying not to get my arm chopped off. This actually looks really great in here. This is the second black fan that's been in this room. The second fan is white, which you all know as the Ochre Coke. But this black fan tends to look better. I really want to repaint the walls because that's a really ugly color to me. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a good day.